Hey, stop right there, guys. You're probably just about to watch a video showing you how to sell on Amazon. And before you do, let me save you a whole bunch of time, effort, and frustration, all right? A lot of stuff on YouTube simply either doesn't work or it's made by Americans for Americans. It's actually not made for Australians or New Zealanders wanting to sell on Amazon Australia, right? So if you're looking to get something started and the number one frustration you have right now is you don't know what the first steps are to launch your business on Amazon, or you don't actually know what products are actually in demand right now. You don't know what people are searching for on Amazon. You don't know what people are actually, what's actually profitable, and you don't know the first steps to take. So if that's you, join me. I'm actually around this video. There is a link. Give that link a click and you can join me on a live presentation where I'm actually going to reveal 10 hot products that are selling like crazy right now. These are off the wall products that are doing incredible numbers. Some of them doing more than 5,000 Australian a month, some doing more than $10,000 Australian a month. I'm going to reveal those 10 products to you. I'm also going to show you the steps involved to launching your product on Amazon. So if you're based here in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon Australia or USA, I'm going to reveal how to go about getting something started. So come on, join me, click the link around this video. I'd love to see you there. My name's Alex Ryan, and guys, I've been doing this now for over 10 years. My background is actually import-export. I've been showing people for 10 years how to get started on Amazon, all right, and actually how to find profitable, hot and profitable products. So I'd love to see you there. Give that link a click. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.